Hi. In this session, we're going to be using the 5 ways that the body organizes and coordinates movement to reconnect ourselves. This is great for those days when you're just feeling completely disconnected, feels like none of the parts are working together. Maybe those days when it feels like your head's up here and the rest of you is just scattered. This is a great, easy, and brief way to bring all of those things together so that you can move forward through your day. You'll just need a little bit of space as we are doing some weight shifting from side to side and front to back, and we are reaching through our arms. Now, I'm going to take you through the sequence first, and then we're going to do it together. Be mindful of 2 things as you're doing this, though. 1, we are going to be coordinating our breath, our inhale and our exhale with particular movements. And 2, we're going to be focusing on reaching out and gathering in. And so with that, we want to try to be accessing our bodies with ease rather than with tension. So using that breath, whenever we reach out and open up, we want to think about inhaling, about filling ourselves, and also about sending that energy gently out away from us. And then when we come in, we're going to be exhaling, feeling ourselves regather, regain that energy as we bring it gently and easily in towards ourselves. So always moving with ease, always moving with breath. So first thing, we're going to start by reaching everything out in all directions as we inhale, and then gathering everything in together from all directions as we exhale. Then we'll step it the other way. Reaching out with an inhale, gathering in with an exhale. We'll take that again out and in, again out, inhale and in, exhale. Then we're going to go ahead and step out. Both arms will reach up towards the ceiling as we inhale. You might even move into a little bit of an arch, opening the chest. And then we're going to bend those knees, bringing the arms around, gathering exhale as we pull everything in, curving that spine forward. Arms are going to then reach up again. Inhale as the chest opens, gathering from under. Exhale as we soften and curve. Again, inhale, chest opens. Exhale, soften and curve. We'll take that one more time for 4. Inhale, chest open, soften and exhale and curve. Now from here, we're going to step in. I'm going to inhale, just reach up. Exhale as I bend forward into a forward fold. Inhale as I bend my knees down into a squatting position. Exhale as I lengthen those legs to whatever degree is comfortable for my body again. And then I'm going to come back up. Inhale and forward fold. Exhale and inhale as I bend down to a squat, and exhale as I lengthen. Again, inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. We'll take that 4 times as well. This is the last one. Inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. As I come out of this, I'm going to step open to my right side, opening my right arm and right leg, and I'm going to gather it in and let my spine curve to the side. That would be my exhale. Then other side, inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Now I'm going to open through the side with my arm. Inhale. Again, curve, exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Now those arms are going to come around from the direction that I'm stepping into the direction that I'm going, and I'm going to sweep the opposite leg behind, and I'm going to rotate into that leg. And then I'm going to continue. Inhale, turning and spiraling, exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale, and inhale, and exhale. Now I'm going to switch it up. Same arm as leg is going to step. Inhale. My arm and my opposite leg are going to cross. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then I'm just going to do a little easy march underneath of myself. Inhale, opposite elbow to knee. Exhale, allowing the spine to curve. Inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale, and inhale and exhale. Then we'll bring it down and together. Take a moment, and we'll walk out into our day. So let's go ahead. Get yourselves ready, and don't be so worried about exactness of pathway or placement. It's not about that. It's about feeling the breath organized to help the body to coordinate. It's about finding ease, and it's about finding comfort. So we're going to start with everything reaching out equally in all directions and gathering in equally from all directions. And we essentially take 4 of each. And here we go. Inhale and gather, exhale. Again, 2, inhale, gather, exhale. And 3, exhale. And 4, exhale, stepping out, opening high, inhale. Gather, bend the knees, exhale. And 2, inhale, and exhale. And 3, and soften and curve. And 4, and soften and curve. Stepping and we reach up. Inhale, fold, exhale. Squat, inhale. Unfold the legs, exhale. Reaching up and fold. Inhale, squat. Exhale, lengthen 2 more. Inhale and fold. And bend. And lengthen. Last one. And lengthen up. And fold. And bend the knees. And lengthen. Now we reach up to the right. And gather. And inhale. And gather. Exhale. And inhale. And gather. Exhale. And inhale. And gather. Now arm reaches side. And in. And out. And in. And out. 2 more. And in. And out as the spine curves side. And in. And out. Now the arms come around. And spiral. And inhale. And spiral. Exhale. Inhale. And spiral. Inhale. And spiral. Now they come through the front. Inhale. Exhale a little faster. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. A little march. And in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. Last one. And in. And out. Go ahead, gather the feet underneath of you. Take a moment. Just feel your weight on both feet. And then go ahead about your day.